Hello everyone, welcome back to Great Learning 365. Hope you all are doing good. Today's our topic is if error function. In today's tutorial we will learn how to use if error in Excel to catch the errors and replace those errors with a blank file or a custom made message or a value. So whatever you want to get in return, we can get with the if error value if there's any error comes up. So in simple words, we can say this formula in Excel is designed to trap or manage the errors in calculations or in formulas. So let's see how to use if error function. But before jumping on it, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So here we can see we want to divide our A2 cell with B2, right? This is a simple calculation. So if we drag down our formula here, so you can see there are two type of errors here, right? So if you don't want to see these type of errors in your calculation, then we use if error formula, right? If you want to get your result in a blank or like with a zero value, then so what we do is equal to if error. So when we select our if error formula, it asks us the value. What is value here? So you can see this one, right? So our value is our calculation. If we do this calculation, right, then value if error. What is this? This is the value that will be returned if there is an error. If there is an error, we don't want to get anything. We just leave as a blank. Now just drag it down so you can see nothing shows up here, no errors shows up here, right? So if you want to get 0 here, right, instead of blank we want to get 0, just put 0 here. Now drag it down, you can see it gave us 0, right? Or if you want to get a message, if there is an error and you want to get a message for those errors, then we will put the message there. If error, our value is our calculation, we want to do this calculation, right? And suppose we want to get a message invalid value, and then close it down, and then it should give us a invalid value here. So in this way we can use if error formula in Excel. So this is very useful function, and in this way if error function in Excel handles all errors and can replace those errors with your custom text message or whatever you want to get in return. Hope you like my video, and bye for now. Bye.